Go.
All the way to the top.
Oh, there's a ducky up there.
Got the ducky. Now what? You gonna come down with ducky?
Alright, now what?
Probably will come down with ducky.
Oh, that was good.
Come on.
I'll back down.
Yeah.
Usually she would sit up there and wait and give a big smile.
Yeah.
Now she's so intent.
Working.
Are you picking her?
Yeah, I got a video going. Good job. Yay.
Come on. Down, yeah. Okay. Down. Yeah, okay. All right. Come on.
That's good.
One more.
Oh, there you go.
One step at a time. It's all right. It's all right. You don't have to go back up. It's right there. There you go. Okay. Good job. Good job.
Yeah. Oh, indecision. That's the wrong leg.
It's okay. She'll eventually go with the left anyway.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Hand up here. Hand up here. Left hand up here.
There you go. Foot. Oh.
Changing tactics.
Good.
Just turn your butt around.
Oh, back up. This is slow.
She probably wasn't happy with her performance on that step. Redo it.
You got one more till the landing. One more.
Come on.
There you go.
Yeah. Good job.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good.
One more.
One more.
The next one's the landing. You're almost on the landing. There you go. Put your foot down. Oh, foot or hand. There you go.
Yeah. Good
Okay.
job. You gonna swivel around for the right leg? Keep forgetting those faces.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, Daddy got you.